How to get free crypto token to watch ads and do other simple tasks from anywhere in the world. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and the website that I'm talking about is 4Bulls.com, and this is a new website that is available for anyone in the world. And the beauty about this website is it pays you to watch ads and also to do some simple tasks. And it's quite easy to sign up, as all you'll have to do is simply visit 4bulls.com, and from there you'll simply enter your email address and sign up. Once you're signed up, I would recommend that you tap on the home page in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on earn crypto right here, and after selecting that, you will see a list of options that you can choose from. For example, you could tap on like this tweet and you can see the approximate time that this takes. The other thing that I love about this website is not only are you able to get crypto token, but it shows an approximate time of how long the task will take, unlike other websites similar to this that doesn't show the approximate time that you'll have to spend to do the task. One of the downside when it comes to this website though, it's 100 coins to 1 cent. So as you can see right here, these 50 coins would not even add up to 1 cent. So it takes a lot of time to make money with this website. But it is, when you check it out, one of the better paying websites when it comes to pay to watch. So if you would like, you can simply tap on this, and by simply liking a tweet, you'll be able to earn 50 coins, and by retweeting this tweet you'll be able to earn 50 coins. And as you can see, there are numerous tasks that you can do, and you can see the different pages right here. So there are 2 pages of tasks that you can complete to start earning money. So there are numerous ways to earn money with this website. And another thing that you can also do is tap on their referral program, as I always recommend that you check out the referral program with these type of websites. And as you can see here, you'll be able to earn 25% from your referrals lifetime contributions. So you'll be able to earn 25% of everything the persons that you refer earn. And when it comes to this website, all you'll have to do is tap on your coins in the top right hand corner. And once you have earned approximately $1, or I think it's up to 10 cents, you'll be able to withdraw that. It has a very low payment threshold, and all you'll have to do is tap on withdraw, and you will enter your crypto wallet, whether that be MetaMask or Qcoin or Binance, and you'll be able to withdraw your crypto into your wallet. It is as easy as that. So while this is a legit way to earn crypto token to watch videos, it does take a lot of time. As you can see, the task does not pay a lot, but I figure after doing a lot of tasks, you'll be able to still earn a few bucks. So it's completely up to you, but it is a bit time consuming. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.